हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्ते। आप सभी का हमारी पाठशाला में स्वागत है। ये वीडियो मुख्यतः पेरेंट्स के लिए है, वे अपने बच्चों को सबट्रैक्शन कैसे सिखाएं। अगर आपका बच्चा एडिशन अच्छे से कर पाता है तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा कि आप उसे सबट्रैक्शन सिखाएं। सबट्रैक्शन के लिए आपको क्या करना है? यकीनन हम बच्चों को कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स के थ्रू, जैसे पेन, कई सारे पेन, स्टिकी पैड्स और बच्चों के टॉयज के थ्रू, बच्चों के टॉयज के माध्यम से सिखा सकते हैं कि सबट्रैक्शन क्या होता है। लेकिन जब बच्चा क्लास 1 में जाता है तो उसे सबट्रैक्शन कॉपी पे करना होता है। नोटबुक पे सबट्रैक्शन को कैसे सिखाएं और क्लासेस में टीचर्स जो समझाते हैं उनको आप कैसे घर में सिखा सकते हैं, इसके लिए आज का वीडियो मैंने तैयार किया है, इसे जरूर देखें। चलिए, हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू हमारी पाठशाला। आज हम सबट्रैक्शन पढ़ेंगे। सबट्रैक्शन को घटाना बोलते हैं, हिंदी में बोलते हैं घटाना। अभी आप लोग एडिशन कर चुके हैं, इसीलिए अब हम पढ़ेंगे सबट्रैक्शन। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सबट्रैक्शन? सबट्रैक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? So, subtraction refers to an operation used to find out the difference between two numbers. Subtraction refers to an operation that used to find out the difference between two numbers. So, the first keyword here is difference. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपको डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना हो तो आप सबट्रैक्शन करते हैं, ठीक है? और when we take away few objects from group of objects, the group of objects becomes smaller. So here we subtract few objects from group of objects. So here we have to subtract few objects from group of objects. Here the keyword is take away. Keyword is टेक अवे। जिन क्वेश्चंस में भी टेक अवे लिखा होगा वहां आप सबट्रैक्शन करेंगे। फर्स्ट कीवर्ड इज डिफरेंस, सेकंड कीवर्ड इज टेक अवे। इसके अलावा भी कुछ कीवर्ड होते हैं, जैसे इंक्रीज बाय और डिक्रीज बाय। इसके अलावा हाउ मच मोर और हाउ मच लेस। ओके, सो वी डिनोट इट बाय दिस साइन। दिस इज सबट्रैक्शन साइन, और वी कैन से माइनस साइन। दिस इज माइनस साइन. Okay, let us take some example to understand the practical application of subtraction. अब हम कुछ examples पढ़ेंगे जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में करते हैं और उससे हम बड़ी आसानी से सबट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले इसको जानने के लिए we have to learn two properties. First, property of 1. If we subtract 1 from any number, we get its previous number. For example, you bought 8 chocolates for your birthday. You bought 8 chocolates for your birthday. One of your friend ate 1 chocolate. Now you are left with how many chocolates? So if we subtract from any number, if we subtract 1 from any number, we get its previous number. So you have 8 chocolates, your friend ate 1 chocolate. So how many you are left with? How many chocolates? 7 chocolates. Previous number. Okay. So what comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. Now, if one more friend ate 1 chocolate, now you are left with how many chocolates? You had 7 chocolates. Okay. Your friend ate 1 more chocolate. You are left with how many? 6. Because what comes before 7? What comes before 7? 6. So the answer is 6. We can write it like this. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. You have 8 chocolates. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One of your friend ate 1 chocolate. Now you are left with how many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अगर आपके पास 8 चॉकलेट्स है और आपके दोस्त ने 1 चॉकलेट खा ली, तो कितने चॉकलेट्स बच गए? आपके पास कितने चॉकलेट बचे? इसके लिए आपको काउंट करना पड़ेगा। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we subtract 1 from a number, we get its previous number. Now, symbols of subtraction. We use different type of sign or symbols to represent different types of operation in mathematics. For example, we use minus sign here to show that we are performing subtraction. यहाँ पे हम ये वाला साइन माइनस साइन लगाते हैं ये दिखाने के लिए कि हम दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं या दो नंबर्स के बीच में सबट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं। तो कौन सा साइन लगाएंगे? इसको कहते हैं माइनस साइन। सो वी यूज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ symbols to represent different operation in mathematics. For subtraction, we use this sign, minus sign. Okay, so this sign shows that we are performing subtraction between two numbers. Look at this example. Two numbers are given here. You can see two numbers, and between these two numbers you can see this sign. This is called minus sign or subtraction sign. The sign is called minus sign. The first number, which is always greater than the second number, this first number is called minuend. Minuend. What is it called? Minuend. The first number is called minuend and the second number is called subtrahend. The second number is called subtrahend. After that, there is equal to sign, equal to sign. After equal to sign, the result is there. Result is called difference. Right hand side of the equal to sign is called result and that result is difference. Okay. So, 3 points here. The minuend is the number from which other number get subtracted. Now the second number. Second number, that is called subtrahend. Subtrahend is always smaller than minuend. Subtrahend is the number that is to be subtracted from minuend. Okay. And third, the difference, which is right hand side of the equal to sign. The different is the final result after subtracting subtrahend from the minuend. Okay. There are 3 points. First is minuend. What is minuend? Minuend is the number from which the number that is called subtrahend gets subtracted. Second number is subtrahend. Subtrahend is a number which is to be subtracted from minuend. And third, which comes after the subtraction, that is result. Result is called difference. Difference comes after the subtraction of subtrahend from minuend. So we can say subtraction formula is minuend minus subtrahend, that is equal to difference. This is the formula of subtraction. Minuend minus subtrahend, that is equal to difference. So we have learned first property, that property is property of 1. Now we will understand the second property, that is property of 0. Property of 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get number itself. Okay, this is the property of 0. अगर हम किसी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करते हैं तो रिजल्ट हमेशा वो नंबर ही आता है. जैसे 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. If we subtract 0 from number, we get number itself as result. Let us understand through example. So let us take the example of flower pots. Kids, are you able to see these flower pots? How many flower pots are there? Count with me. Okay, how many flower pots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many flower pots are there? There are 5 flower pots. If we hide all 5 flower pots from here, how many flower pots will remain here? Then 0 flower pots remain here. Okay, so kids, you know what is 0? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. No value. It denotes by 0. It denotes by 0. So if we subtract 0 or nothing or none from any number, the number remains the same. If we subtract 0 from 5 flower pots, the number remains the 5 or same. Number remains the same. If we subtract 5 from 5 flower pots, the answer or the result will be 0. If we subtract 0 flower pot from 5 flower pot, 0, then number remains same. Okay, that means 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 0 means nothing or none. If we subtract nothing from a number, the result will be the number itself, that is 5. We can explain it by this way as well. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus nothing. So the result will be the number itself, that is 5. Now second example is, let us take 6 chocolates. Okay, let us take 6 chocolates. Can you count all these chocolates? Can you count the chocolates? Count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. If you ate all 6 chocolates, how many chocolates left in this basket? How many chocolates left? There is no chocolate left in this basket. We can represent it by this way. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Or we can write, 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now cancel all these chocolates and the result will be 0 or none. The basket is now empty. So in this class, we have learned some properties. The first property is subtraction is reverse of addition. Subtraction addition का उल्टा होता है, ठीक है? Subtraction is reverse of addition. Second, property of 0, and third, property of 1. Okay? One more thing, minuend. The minuend is always greater than subtrahend. Minuend is always greater than subtrahend. Okay? In the next class, we will learn little advanced subtraction. So till then, bye-bye, and please like, share and subscribe the channel.